DaVinci Hand Split Shake Siding Installation. Fastening. DaVinci Hand Split Shake Siding must be installed with a full round head roofing nail with a minimum length of 1 3/4 inches. Fasteners must be corrosion resistant. Hot dip galvanized, electro galvanized, and stainless steel fasteners are acceptable. Please check with local code requirements in coastal areas. Shake products may be installed using hand-driven nails or fastened with a pneumatic tool. Pneumatic fastening is recommended. When pneumatic tools are used, it's important to control the fastener depth of drive. Ensure the air pressure is regulated and not excessive. Also, ensure the tool has an adjustable depth of drive to control nail seating depth. Do not overdrive or underdrive fasteners. The nail head should be snug against the face of the shake. Overdriven fasteners may slightly cup or bow the shake and result in the lower edge of the shake not being tight against the underlying course. Framing nailers are not approved, as product damage may result. Do not use siding nails, aluminum fasteners, staples, clipped head, or T-headed nails. As an alternative, corrosion-resistant bugle head screws may be used. They should be number 8 wood thread screws with a minimum length of 1 5/8 inches and a 0.375 inch minimum head diameter. A fastener must be placed on each side of the tile approximately 3/4 inches from the edge and approximately 1 inch above where the butt edge of the next course will lay. Visit our installation video library for product and condition specific installation guidelines.